Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Ucraft. Ucraft offers a website building platform with a free plan, and that's what piqued my interest. I'm constantly exploring different tools and platforms, especially free options, so I wanted to see what Ucraft brings to the table. A quick search reveals they also offer paid plans, which we'll touch on later. For now, let's dive into the free tier. One of the first things I noticed is the modern and intuitive interface. It's clean, easy to navigate, and doesn't feel overwhelming. Setting up a free account was straightforward and hassle-free. Ucraft provides various templates to get you started, covering a wide range of needs, from blogs and portfolios to online stores. This provides a solid foundation, allowing you to customize and tailor the design to match your specific vision. One key aspect I appreciate is the drag-and-drop functionality. It simplifies the entire design process, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. You can easily add and rearrange elements like text boxes, images, and videos without any coding knowledge. While the free plan comes with Ucraft branding, it's a small trade-off for the features and functionality you gain access to. Plus, if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan later on, the branding is removed. Now, let's talk about those paid plans. Ucraft offers a few different tiers, each with its own set of advantages and pricing. They provide increased storage, bandwidth, custom domain connection, and access to e-commerce features. Whether a paid plan is worthwhile depends on your specific needs and goals. If you're just starting out or experimenting with a basic website, the free plan might be sufficient. However, if you require more advanced features, greater control over your branding, or plan on running a full-fledged online store, a paid subscription could be a valuable investment. Overall, my experience with Ucraft has been positive. It's an accessible and easy-to-use platform that offers a good range of features, both free and paid. The intuitive interface, drag-and-drop editor, and diverse template selection make it a solid choice for building a website, regardless of your technical skill level. Check out the link in the description to explore Ucraft for yourself. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts on Ucraft in the comments below.